Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into a Stripe account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in stripe.com. After you come across this official page, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Here you'll have to select an option to sign in. Scroll down your screen and click on Sign In button. Here you'll have to enter your email address associated with your account and a valid password. If you do not remember your password, then you can click on Forgot Your Password link. Also, if you do not have an account yet, then you can click on Sign Up link. After entering your details, click on the Continue button to proceed. And that is how you can log into a Stripe account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.